this is officially going to be the last little house tour that I do of this flat in London, and I want to record it because I think it'll be really fun to look back on someday, like even for myself. About a year ago, there's a video sometime in May where I showed me coming into this, like, well, just a really small video of this apartment for the first time when I was checking it out, and then you know, here we are almost a year later, and I'm about to move out. And I'm recording this today because I have a very, very busy week ahead, and then I'm headed to Iceland, and then I'm not coming back here. So I thought I'd record. And for anybody who hasn't seen, this view is pretty insane. Yeah, that is the view. That is the balcony. That is the balcony, which I'm absolutely gonna miss. This is the kitchen area. So I was working from here just now. Onto the important stuff, which is my little room. So it's a very basic little hallway, but this room is one that I hope I will remember for a long time. When I first came in, I think that the desk was over there. It was a smaller one as well. A lot of stuff has changed, and yeah, it's it's tiny bedroom. Let me just this is the bed, and that's the amount of space that I have between me and my desk, basically. Now I didn't really work here like all the time. I go out to my gym, and then I have a workspace. It's at a private members club, but yeah, you know, it's a little small apartment, and you know, I will someday hopefully look back on this. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Honestly, I got a really good deal as well, like for the price. I'm usually not very big on taking a lot of financial debt or financial obligations on. That's something that like I don't really like. And so when I rented this place, I made sure that I had all the cash up front and stuff like that. I didn't rent it by myself. Basically, I had some friends who offered me this room and who were already organizing, and that's why I really got it, because it was kind of an easy-ish opportunity. Also, when I rented it, man, my agency has grown since pretty substantially. When I rented it, you know, like I had enough money to cover it, but I wasn't making loads. I don't know exactly what kind of numbers I was doing. Probably around 10 grand a month, something like that. 15 maybe. It's been up and down a little bit since, but overall up. But still, like, I'm probably never going to film this apartment in its entirety again. Got a little mocha pot prepared for my friend, well, Samuel. He's coming over in a little bit. And, well, I just cleaned the flat as well, and it's a little bit dirty actually, but I don't know. It's a last little tour. This is the living room. It's nothing special, but it'll be special for me to look back on someday. So, yeah. I would find it hard to believe that a lot of people will enjoy seeing this. Maybe like once I do more interesting things, but it is also just a beautiful, like, yeah, it's a beautiful day, basically. But yeah, so this is first ever flat that I rented and stayed in, like in London for a long time. I don't know if someday I come back. The likelihood of me staying in this particular flat again is like virtually none. It was a really nice one actually. I loved it actually. The location's pretty great. The view is really the selling point. The room is small, but I couldn't care that much. Like, it was just great to be actually moving here and making it happen. To be honest, sometimes I feel like it's small or whatever, because everybody online will show you all the nice places that they go to and whatever. And I have access to some nice places. I don't like financial commitments, so I'd rather have a small financial commitment of renting and then be able to spend my money the way that I like it. But also just in general, I feel like sometimes I want bigger and bigger things. And yeah, anyway, I think it was still pretty cool. Like, it was a really nice flat. I'm happy about it. There are complaints, that I could make, but there's no point. I think it's just nice to have that on camera. Actually, in my nice camera, which I'm having fun using. And anyway, as usual, leave any questions below. I think this video is probably going to be extremely boring for anybody to watch it, but maybe in like 20 years, it'll be cool to look back at, like, when I had what will probably seem like nothing, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Gonna go reply to some comments now.